Hi, everybody. Freddie Fox here. Minnie Mouse talked to Piper Bowersox on her birthday on the phone. It was really fun. But then, after that, Minnie Mouse realized she didn't know where Piper lives. This was really bothering Minnie Mouse, so she thought she'd ask Mr. Filcher to call Uda, the Queen of the Fairies, to see if she could help find Piper. The Queen agreed, and she said she would send Wheezer, the magical hummingbird, to find her.
The fairy queen, Uda, lives by the sea. She received word that Minnie Mouse was searching for where Piper Bowersox lives. Minnie Mouse wished the queen could send Wheezer to find Piper. Wheezer is a mythical hummingbird, and she is able to travel really far, without ever getting tired. Queen Uda said, "Wheezer, find the home of Piper Bowersox, and tell of this home to Minnie Mouse." So, Wheezer flew away on her long journey. A journey to find where Piper Bowersox lives.
Wheezer's first stop was to the Great Pyramids in Egypt.
Hey, does anybody know where Piper Bowersox lives?
I do not know where Piper Bowersox lives. Perhaps you should try Paris. Good luck, Wheezer.
Well, I guess it's off to Paris, France. Mr. Camel had a good idea. I hope Wheezer finds out where Piper lives from them.
Hey, does anybody know where Piper Bowersox lives? Hey, does anybody know where Piper Bowersox lives?
Ah. Sorry. Piper Bowersox, she is not in Paris. Try Washington, D.C.
Oh boy, no one in Paris knows where to find Piper. Wheezer thinks Moat the goat has a good idea, so she's going to Washington, D.C.
Hey, does anybody know where Piper Bowersox lives?
No! No Piper Bowersox here. Wheezer, try New York.
Golly gosh, still no answers, even in Washington, D.C. I guess Wheezer will have to take Abe Lincoln's advice and try New York City. Good luck, Wheezer.
Hey, does anybody know where Piper Bowersox lives? Take a look at these pictures.
Yeah! She lives at 4892 Whittier Drive in Old Hickory, Tennessee. That's just outside Nashville. Good luck, Wheezer!
Wow, those folks in New York were really fun. And Wheezer made sure that everybody knew what Piper looked like. She put up street bills, billboards, Megatron videos. She put her picture in a museum and even put Piper and her grandpa Bill in the newspaper. Wow! Great job, Wheezer! Great job, New York! And now, Wheezer, it's off to Nashville. Good luck! Well, Wheezer took the long trip from New York to Nashville and to Piper's house. And what a fine home indeed. Lots and lots of family. Mommy, Grandpa, Tony, Moses, Pluto, Banjo, Oogie, and Kitten. Minnie Mouse is so happy too. Now she knows where Piper Bowersox lives. And that's the story of how Minnie Mouse learned where Piper lives.